Western Union Future Champions is on the road today to make an impact in the lives of young student athletes. We're at Herbert Morrison Technical High School to contribute $300,000 to offset their expenses on their journey to Champs 2026. Come with us as we find out how they've been preparing for Champs, particularly because of the challenges they faced with the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Although they may have been set back, their spirits were not dampened.
My name is Claude Grant. I'm the acting vice principal for upper school at the Herbert Morrison Technical High School and the head coach of the track team. Herbert Morrison Technical suffered great damage due to Hurricane Melissa. The school was under 9 feet of water. Where we are standing now, on the 20th of October, we could not have stood here because here was flooded. Now, the school is still rebuilding. Melissa has really set us back in our programs. However, Herbert Morrison Technical is a school that we consider ourselves, and we know that we are one of the best schools, and we have to stand up and do what we should. So we are here for education and to give our students the opportunities to still maintain a good standard.
To be honest, it's been hard, because our school have been greatly affected by the hurricane. So it's been challenging, but we are trying our best to get ready for our Champs.
You can look at back in time where we went through the pandemic. Our coach was able to pull his team through, so I just put my trust in him, and we were able to place a top 4 in Western Champs, so it proves that we're capable.
We know we've all been affected, so we're just trying to be here for each other, stay motivated, stay positive.
When it comes to track and field, it's a discipline. They know that when they participate and they do well, the reward is there in terms of scholarships. Because of Melissa, they came back to me for training, because I had said to them, well, we won't have it this year. And the athletes came back and said, Coach, we were training before, we want to continue. So therefore, it says to me that the group want to do well, and the past had shown them that it is something that they feel good about, because we have won medals last year, national champs, 3 medals to be exact at national champs. So Herbert Morrison Technical is a competing school, high-performing school, and our students and parents and stakeholders are looking forward to us to make sure that our students get the set opportunities as before.
As a team captain, I try my best to motivate others and understand what everybody is going through. Everybody has different type of difficulties, and you can't approach everybody's difficulties the same way. So you got to be versatile and know how to adapt. We tend to depend on our coach. Our coach is the main drive for the team. Physically, our coach will tell us how we're doing and how we should look, how we should perform, the expectation based on overall training program, even though it was affected. Track and field is a mental game. You got to be mentally strong. We always go out there mentally strong while physical as well, but the mental part is the most important part, because the race is determined by the mental strength of the athlete.
For Champs 2026, I'm looking forward to PBing, doing my personal best, and just finish injury-free.
Western Champs surprised us. We came fourth. We were not in many events, and we managed to came fourth at Western Champs. It means that the program was jolted, but has not lost a lot in terms of the key performers that will come for Champs. Athletes like Tavane, we are gonna be there. We are gonna be performing, and once the athletes perform and do their PR, then Herbert Morrison Technical normally accept that from our athletes. We are grateful for Western Union. They have supported us for many years. I can't remember the years because they have been keeping supporting us. And for this year, if you look at our high jump equipment there, it's almost gone. So it is not really as safe as we want it right now, because if you look over there, so there used to be our storing room. So we have lost a lot of things out of that. Spikes gone, we have damage to our gears, and the gym too has been destroyed, but we have actually hold on to the athletes, and we have actually get the programs going. Herbert Morrison Technical is a performing school. We have produced athletes like Dexter Lee, World Juniors twice, World Youth. So Herbert Morrison Technical is a school that will produce. We just need support to bring back our program in terms of our equipment that has been damaged, so that the program can come back better.
Hello, star athletes of Herbert Morrison Technical High School. Western Union is really pleased to be able to contribute to your track and field program. We know that in spite of the challenges that you faced with the passing of Hurricane Melissa, you remain so resilient and so committed to achieving your goals this year at Champs. It's because of that, and of course the need that is demonstrated, that Western Union is committed to continuing to support Herbert Morrison Technical High School this year with a contribution of $300,000 to your track and field program.
Herbert! Super! Herbert! Super! Herbert! Super! Thank you, Western Union!
Every Western Union money transfer fuels the future of Jamaican athletics. Please join us in doubling the impact. Match our contribution of $300,000 to this school by donating a portion of your remittances through the GK1 app. Though they're recovering from Hurricane Melissa, these young athletes are still doing their best to race to the finish line. Download the GK1 app to send or receive Western Union money transfers and donate to your school today. Let's go further together.